Lord, who house we at today? Fancy G, what we eating it? I know damn well them ain't no bush baked beans with some eggs. Shirley Laverne, go get back in the car, cause I don't know what's going on here. I'll be out there in a few minutes. Fancy Jesus, look. What kind of mixture, baby? Girl, what you finna do with this? Lord, she finna mess up this good nature honey butter bread. Oh, Lord. Baby, don't mess that bread up like that. Fix this, girl. My grandmama would cuss you clean out over here messing up this good bread. Look. No, ma'am. Ma'am. Don't. Ma'am. Look. Fix it, Jesus. Girl, Laverne, call 911 because they gonna need them when they get through eating this here. Because they going to the hospital. Fix it, Jesus. Oh, Lord, look. Oh, Lord, they got the cheese, Lord. They got the cheese. Look at her. Look. Fix it, Jesus. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Girl, don't nobody want this for no damn breakfast. Oh, Lord. Oh, don't put that in the oven. Don't you put that in that oven. Oh, Lord. Fix it, Jesus. Ooh, I can kick her right in the oven with her woo ass. Look out. Just, girl, stop that line. Look. Fix it, Jesus. Look. Girl, you need to go there. Damn.
It's like individual servings.
Fix it, Jesus.